Yo, what's going on, everyone? I wanna quickly go through my Euro USD trade for the day, my entry, and I'm gonna update you on how it's gonna play out as well. So, going to the market open, which was at 2 p.m. I've seen this dot from Asian session, except for this big push down into this daily fair value gap, from, if I'm not wrong, that got respected before, and we missed this sell side liquidity. I was pretty confident that we gonna move up, sweep London lows, tap into this high time frame PD array again, and then move lower, right? So that this is my bias for today, and so basically scaling down to hourly and to 4 hourly. I've seen this massive candle that went down but didn't like go towards the London lows, Asian lows. So going down towards the 1 minute time frame, we filled this breaker, like we completely closed below it, but the same time we also broke structure on the hourly, right? However, what I've seen, except for this perspection of this hourly fair value gap, I've also seen a push onto the 30-minute fair value gap with the market open, 30-minute candle right here, and a inspection of this order block, which indicated to me that we gonna move upwards, right, towards these London lows, potentially even towards this high, because that's a very strong point of an external liquidity. Let me just mark it out for you boys. That's external, right? So this is an external. Let me just make it look a little bit better, boys. Yeah, external, yeah. So essentially this is my ultimate target, but as we swept these lows, which are the London lows, on the London PM session open, we also managed to use this Asian order block. I was pretty confident that we gonna move higher, and we will see whether this will play out or not. I'm just gonna show you my execution part as well. So I entered before the 5-minute break of structure, as currently I'm testing out some new concepts. Bear in mind this on my funded account that I just got credentials to, but this is essentially the 5-minute break of structure, right? And the market structure shift, which failed, sort of. So where's MMS? I don't actually MMS, so let me just add text MMS, right? So this is gonna be the market structure shift point, which is currently not happening. But am I wrong? Yeah, I'm a bit wrong. But yeah, whatever. This doesn't really matter. It's something just got extra confluence. Because on the 50-minute we maintained the bullish structure with this massive candle that was bullish. I just entered, right? So I came down to the 3-minute time frame. I've seen this massive. I can delete the order block, right? I've seen this massive inverse value gap, another value gap created on top of that, which is normally what we want to see after an inverse is created. Then a respection of this value gap, an internal sweep, and yeah, and that was basically my entry, right somewhere here on the body of this candle, or either on the wick. As of right now, this is looking a little bit choppy, as in the price action is not clear anymore, because as you can see we got a doji candle, and right now we are moving towards more down. However, that's only a 3-minute time frame. We got to look at the a bigger vision, which is 50-minute, and hourly 30-minute, and all of them, right? So this is my final target for the day. Despite being bearish on the daily time frame and still being in this super range, as well as being bullish on the weekly time frame, we still missed this big buy side inefficiency on the weekly time frame. However, due to being extra bullish on GBP USD and being extra bearish on DXY, which is basically the dollar index, I thought that we're gonna move higher before we move lower. So essentially that's my idea for a trade. Gonna update you guys soon whenever this trade hits stop loss or take profit. Alright, cool boys. So as we can see, the take profit just got hit now after how much time was that? 1 hour 30 minutes. Was this a setup A plus? Absolutely not. I would say that it was like a solid B plus, because we obviously a A plus setup is when you have a clear liquidity sweep of a higher time frame value, right? But this was based on my knowledge and internal sweeps, not an external. So yeah, we hit take profit. I'm happy, of course, but it's not a plus setup. Made 1.9% on this one, which is extremely good, with risking only 0.8%. So it's a technically 2 IRR ratio, more like 2.1, something like that. Really good trade, boys. This is not a it's not something that you're gonna learn of like example videos of a strategy. It's more of a skill, of a knowledge of the market, as well as the experience. So this entry was quite good actually, and the whole idea was really nice. Maybe I'm gonna be looking for some longs, for some shorts right now, because as you boys know, we are in this range still, and most likely we are going to sweep those external lows before a move up, right? So yeah, again, thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe, join my Discord, and yeah, that's essentially my first $200 made on a funded account. So it's something to celebrate, because this doesn't happen every day. but yeah, there's no time to celebrate at the same time, boys, because we gotta keep hustling, and we gotta come back tomorrow and do the same thing as today. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you, boys.